If you're over 50 and retirement feels closer than your savings, your plan, and your peace of mind, I want you to know something right now. You're not behind because you have no value. You're not starting from nothing. A lot of adults 50 plus are carrying something quietly right now. They're tired, they're uncertain, they're overwhelmed by how fast life moved. And somewhere in the background is this question: what do I do now? I can resonate with that question because I lived that. I was at a place where I didn't have enough retirement savings, and I'm looking at everything around me and wondering what happened and why the math wasn't math. And I felt insecure, and I was like, what do I do now? And I started taking a look at things, looking at different opportunities to create income online. And I found some things, and I had to do something different, and I had to make a difference in my life. And the truth is, this is not just my story. For a lot of people, it looks different on the surface, but it feels very similar underneath. Maybe you worked hard for years, and maybe you did what you could, and maybe life took more out of you than you expected. And now, instead of feeling secure, you feel pressure. Pressure about retirement, pressure about income, pressure about whether there's still time to build something meaningful. If that sounds like you, this community was built with you in mind. Retire Ready with James is for adults 50 plus who feel behind on retirement and want a clearer path forward. This is not just hype. It's not about pretending you need to become someone you're not. It's not about throwing you into complicated tech or making you feel like you need to start from scratch. This is about helping you take what you already know, your life experience, your work experience, your skills, your problem-solving ability, your lived wisdom, and turn it into something clear, useful, and capable of creating income. Inside Retire Ready with James, I help you do that step by step. You will learn how to identify problems you already understand. You'll learn how to see value in what you know. And even if it felt ordinary for years, you will learn how to choose a direction you can realistically build from. And you'll learn how to begin shaping that experience into something teachable, a simple offer, a community, helpful path, or a next chapter that makes more sense than just worrying and waiting. I believe a lot of good people don't need to start over. They need clarity, they need structure, they need a path they can follow without feeling foolish or overwhelmed or pressured. A calm place where adults 50 plus can begin turning experience into income, not overnight, not through noise, but through steady guidance, progress. If you join, you're not joining random motivation. You're joining a path, a place to stop dismissing your own experience and start taking it serious. It's a place where you can move forward one step at a time, because that's real and that's what usually happens. Not one giant leap, but clear steps. This community is for people who feel like, I know I need a different path. I still have something in me, and I just need help seeing it clearly, and I need a calmer way to move forward. If that is you, I want to encourage you with this. You're not too late. You're not disqualified because life moves so fast, and you're not starting from zero. You still have value. You still have something useful in your hands, and with the right clarity and structure, that experience can become something meaningful again. So if you're ready to stop guessing and start taking the first clear step towards a more honest, calmer path forward, I'd love to welcome you inside.